Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put secant of s square, secant of s square. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 4, so I will put this one gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. This one we keep the same. This one we change for number 1. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. And now this one multiplied by this one and number 1. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 7 gone here, and we have number 8, because 7 plus 1 we have number 8. The next one, that is about number 6. So I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we have the final answer. And this one we have 7 over 24. This is the end. Thank you for watching.